Open the plastic. What'd you get, Gio? Aww. Oh, you're welcome, my love. What'd you get, baby Sal? Give it to him. Okay. He's sleeping. Okay. What'd you get, love? Uh-oh. New slippers. Try them on. Gio went to go put his pillow in his bed. All right. Those fit good?
Yeah.
All right. More presents?
Yeah.
Baby Sal. Oh, shh, you guys. SpongeBob is sleeping. Okay. Sal. Sal, want more?
Yeah.
Sal.
Baby, more?
Sal, more?
Yeah. More?
That's his feet. You can't take it off. Okay, lay down. Lay down, SpongeBob. Go night-night, SpongeBob. Get off his SpongeBob, dude.